As he left the streets of Mecca, he was trying to find a home. He pays for the believers, leaving their troubles behind. As he walked through the desert, he was thinking about his life. 10 years into Revelation, it was a trying test in time. He had just lost his wife, Khadija al-Mu'minin, and he also lost Abu Talib, his protector from Quraysh. We'll never know the burden on his shoulders. The message came from up above. He struggled for you and I. Rasulullah, Khalilullah, Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Rasulullah, Khalilullah, Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So many thoughts had crossed his mind while he traveled on this journey. Now he came across a town, his destination a Taif, and he walked into the house of the leaders of Taif, and he called them to Islam. La ilaha illallah. They did not care what he had to say, straight away dismissed the prophet, making fun and mocking his message. They told him, leave, you're not welcome here. We'll never know the burden on his shoulders. The message came from up above. He struggled for you and I. Rasulullah, Khalilullah, Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Rasulullah, Khalilullah, Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Now the tragedy begins. The prophet obsolete. The people of the town curse and mock the chosen one. As if this was not enough, they started throwing